In today's video, we're going to show you how to solve this pesky decimal place issue in Microsoft Excel using one of three formula options listed on the top here. And we're going to basically take this difficult column E with all these decimal places, and we're going to convert it to perfect multiples and rounded numbers on this tab here. So let's say if you're a purchasing agent for a company and you want to buy, but obviously you can't place purchase orders with decimal places and you're looking to round numbers up or down. The first formula we're going to work with to fix this is called the ROUNDUP formula. Simply going to take this number here and round it up to the nearest whole number. So the formula is equals ROUNDUP, open parentheses, click the cell, put a comma, and then the number of digits you want to round to, in this case, 0. Close the parentheses and hit enter. And then in order to drag this formula all the way down, you're going to click the cell itself, highlight the bottom right hand corner, and then drag it all the way down to the bottom. Next up, we have the round down formula. This one is equals round down, open parentheses, click the cell you want to round, comma, 0 for 0 digits, close the parentheses and hit enter. So as you can see, this rounded this number up in E8 to 51,239, whereas this rounded this number down to 51,238. So you're going to click the cell, highlight the bottom right hand corner, and drag this formula all the way down to the bottom of the range. Lastly, we have the MROUND formula. Now what this formula is going to do is, say if you're buying and you have to buy a certain number of case packs on a purchase order, it's going to basically take the value in E8 and divide it by the case pack quantity and give you the right multiple to order for a full case pack. So this formula is equals MROUND, open parentheses, click the cell E8, put a comma in there, and then click, on this case, the case pack quantity multiple is 48. So we're going to click cell F8. And if you don't have the case pack quantity, don't worry, you can just type any number in there if you want it to be 12 or 24 or 100. But in this case, since we have the value right here in F8, I'm just going to click cell F8, close the parentheses, and hit enter. And you can see it populated 51,216. Now the same thing, we're going to click on this cell, highlight the bottom right hand corner, and drag this formula all the way down to the bottom of the range. And just as a double check to show you guys, we're going to type in equals I8 divided by the case pack quantity in column F, and we're going to hit enter. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to click the cell, highlight the bottom right hand corner, and we're going to drag that formula all the way down to the bottom. And as you can see, we have perfect case pack quantities. Now, if any of these formulas helped you elevate your Excel, please click the like button down below. Please also subscribe to the channel, as we'll be making a lot more videos just like this one. And I'll catch you on the next video.